IELTS vocabulary, mastering the word being. Welcome to this IELTS vocabulary lesson focused on the word being. Understanding and using this word correctly can significantly improve your performance in both the speaking and writing sections of the IELTS test, helping you achieve that target band score of 6.5. Word type. Being can function as a noun or as the present participle of the verb to be. This versatility makes it a valuable word in your IELTS toolkit. Meaning, as a noun, being refers to existence or the state of existing. It can also mean a living creature, especially a human. When used as a present participle, being is part of the continuous tenses, indicating ongoing actions or states. Word history. The word being comes from the Old English bien, meaning to be or exist. Its usage as a noun to refer to a living creature dates back to the 14th century. Antonyms. Some antonyms for being include non-existence, absence, and nothingness. Synonyms. Synonyms for being include existence, life, living, and presence. Examples used in sentences. Let us look at some examples of how to use being in sentences relevant to IELTS topics. As a noun, the well-being of citizens is a crucial factor in measuring a country's success. As part of a continuous tense, environmental issues are being addressed by many governments worldwide. In a passive structure, new technologies are constantly being developed to combat climate change. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing being with been. Remember, being is used in continuous tenses, while been is used in perfect tenses. For example, it is being discussed is correct, not it has been discussed. Another error is using being redundantly. For instance, the reason being is because is incorrect. Simply say the reason is. To wrap up, mastering the use of being in its various forms will enhance your ability to express complex ideas in the IELTS exam. Practice using it in continuous tenses, passive structures, and as a noun referring to existence or living creatures. By doing so, you will demonstrate a more sophisticated command of English, pushing you closer to that band score of 6.5 or even higher.